Hello. Today we're going to look at how to customize the surface table. In the Plan step, you can customize your project's surface table. There are 3 columns in your surface table: room, area and annex area. When you draw a room, it is given a number. To name the room, go to Customize Room, and choose the room type. Areas like terrace or garage are added as annex area in the surface table. You can remove a level or a room from the total area. Now you can customize your surface table. Choose the rooms you want to include and check the box to say if they are annex areas or not. You will find project information and the surface table that you can then present to your customer. That's it. Now, it's your turn. You can contact us if you have any question. The support team is always there to answer you.